Hello, I'm Madeleine Slowback, Principal and Creative Director at Madeleine Design Group. Thanks for taking the time to get to know us and learn about why we might be a great fit for your home renovation or new construction project. In this video, I'm going to walk through what it looks like to hire and work with Madeleine Design Group as your full-service interior design firm. Full service means that we're facilitating all necessary consultants, design documents, and drawings for the execution of construction. If permit drawings are involved, we'll be responsible for completing those, as well as getting them submitted to the city. Here at Madeleine Design Group, every one of our projects, no matter the size or scope, follow the exact same process. This includes our furnishing and decor projects, but in this video, we're going to be talking specifically about working with us for the design of your new home or renovation. So let's get to it. At the beginning of your project, you will be sent a questionnaire to kick things off and help us better understand your needs. It's a simple questionnaire that gets you thinking about conceptual style, material preferences, and other details that will help us shape the next stage of your project. We will then go through this questionnaire together with a kickoff meeting, introducing our design team, reviewing conceptual direction, and discussing what to expect next. Most of our design meetings take place right here in our studio. We also work on remote projects that require us to travel for design meetings or manage a portion of them virtually, but we always encourage our clients to join us in studio whenever possible because of the amazing materials library we have on hand. Once we've reviewed the information gathered, we will start on space planning and finalizing the overall concept development. Space planning is something we jump into right away if we're working on a renovation. If it's a new build, we'll get involved with your architectural designer, working with them on the interior layout of your home and consulting on exterior design. The concept package is a collection of images and inspiration curated to create an aesthetic guideline throughout the design process. We will walk through this with you to make sure we're on the right path aesthetically, creating a tailored look for each individual client. We will also touch on functionality, storage ideas, preliminary material direction, and anything else that drives the design, going into more detail as things progress throughout the design process. After the concept package is complete, it's time to get into material education. Don't worry, we're not going to take you to school, but we are going to make sure you're well informed about the decisions you're making. Depending on the size of your project, the first in-studio meeting is primarily about materials and how we propose to use them. We'll discuss flooring options, what kind of durability is important to you, and how that applies to different materials and products. We'll discuss the range of colors and shades, different wood species, and different countertop materials, and whatever else impacts the selection of finishes. As designers, we love to create beautiful homes with unique and stunning products, but it's incredibly important to us that our clients understand the maintenance, performance, environmental impacts, and longevity of what they're putting into their home. The next stage is introducing elevation and detail drawings. As your designer, we're going to work with you in creating custom millwork to best suit your needs. We'll discuss all things like kitchen functionality and how you like to cook, storage spaces and where you want to see specialty storage, and anything else that's important to you and how you live in your space. During the design meetings, we will continue to reference the original concept package as we select all of the necessary materials, fixtures, and finishes for your home. You can be assured that all of these selections are curated specifically for your project, with only you and your family in mind. We pride ourselves in making each one of our projects unique to the personalities and needs of our clients. Once we've substantially completed the design drawings and specifications for your project, an issued for pricing package will be sent to your general contractor. It's not mandatory, but we highly recommend that your contractor be involved in at least one of the design meetings so that they're familiar with what is being proposed and can speak in more detail about budgetary considerations. We always ask that a budget is provided prior to starting design so that we can design towards your expectations. Having the contractor involved in the design process contributes an additional level of expertise when it comes to discussing multiple options that may be considered during the selection process. Once the issued for pricing package is sent, it's up to the contractor to provide a high-level estimate based on your design and selections. In an ideal world, this is all happening prior to any construction starting, so there are no big surprises during your construction, where you feel pressured into making a decision without knowing the overall cost of the project. Budget is a topic we will be bringing up multiple times throughout the design process, as it's extremely important to us that we're adhering to your budgetary expectations. Once a budget review has been completed and you're ready for construction, we will have one more design meeting to go over everything again in detail, revising anything that may have come up after being priced, and complete what we call an issued for construction package. This package includes your detailed design drawings and all specifications related to construction. Once the issued for construction package has been sent, our design phase is complete. However, we are not going anywhere. At this point, we're passing off the main lines of communication to the contractor to take over and start executing the construction. As your designers, we are available throughout the entire construction process as necessary for what we call project coordination. We will perform necessary site visits specifically related to plumbing and electrical rough-in review and advise on any on-site framing and finishing details as needed. We will also be available to review and approve shop drawings, making sure all of the details we've discussed with you during the design phase for custom-built items are being properly executed. During this phase, we are working closely with the contractor with the same end goal in mind, creating a beautiful, high-quality, and unique home for each of our clients. If you've also hired us to complete a furniture and decor package for your home, we will have worked on this in tandem during the design phase and will continue with the installation as construction wraps up. It's important to us that our clients understand our process going into the project. So we hope this video provides clarity on what that looks like and gets you excited about creating your dream home with the team at Madeleine Design Group. Thanks for watching.